Well, hello there from Texas. I'm now in Texas. I used to be in Korea, now I'm in Texas. So I got a new job and we decided to move to Texas. So, no, I got a new job and we moved to Texas. This is the back of my house. Now, Korea was fun. I had a great 5 years, learned a lot, learned about myself more, if I may, did a lot, travel, and then this pandemic happened. That's the dog right there making noise. But anyway, back to me. We came here, normally we get like a job and do whatever. You're gonna move back into like the suburbs or whatever, but we decided not to. So we bought this place. Granted, it needs some work done to it, but, here's the thing about it. It is what we always wanted, and it's amazing. Now I'm gonna turn this camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. Yes. All this right here up into the gate, well, this gate over here, all this all the way down there past that gate over there is ours. We bought some land, some property. That barn over there is ours, that shop right there is ours, and the pool. Little something about the pool, it needs cleaning. We've been cleaning it. Yeah. We've been cleaning it. It currently looks like that right now, a little murky, but the darkness of the overcast is not doing it justice. This little pool thing has been running for a minute, and it was darker than that, so we got to run in. This is a saltwater pool, so it's not going to be as murky as what it was before. Matter of fact, let me go check the machine and see what it looked like. So it's one of those machines that vacuum or whatever. I googled it because the name was on the top of it. It comes with a remote. If anyone out there in YouTube land know how to use this, and maybe I should just go on YouTube a video, this is what it is. But yeah, it comes with a pool. This property comes with a pool. Over here is our little pool house for the pump and everything else. It's cleaning. I cleaned out all the nasty little leaves and those things right there. This one doesn't really fill up with water for some strange reason. I need to get that checked out. There's no water in there. It's like a deep gas. Some plants are growing though, but there's no water. Is that normal? I don't know. First pool ever at the crib. Seriously. So in here, this has been running. This is our saltwater pool jump off. It has one of these things. It's one of those. I don't know what that is, but it says it's flowing. It's good. The stuff of it is good. Yeah. We are learning about this place. This thing right here is going. It's currently sitting at about some PSIs. I don't know. This is the whole pool setup. And then we have a garden. This is our garden here. The garden is not looking so happy right now at all. It's not looking that happy at all. So there's a lot of gardens here. They had a lot of things growing, like these lettuces. This is lettuce. I might pull it and eat it later on, but and then some other stuff. They were really big on okra. Look at the size of these okras. That's some huge okra, hands for scale. Huge okra. There's some seeds in it, so I'm gonna see if I can replant and see if I can get the spruce back up. Here are some more lettuce. Don't want to step on them. More lettuce. All right, so it's one of the main reasons why we got this place for us is that there's this huge ass gate right here, and this shop needs a little TLC, but we're gonna get it done. It comes equipped with two big bay doors. This is a 50 by 60, and I gotta get that fixed. And let me give you some light in here. One moment, please. Ha! Yeah, so welcome to my new shop. All 50 by 60 of it. These lights are gonna go because they're fluorescent, and the last owner jerry rigged some sugar honey iced tea in here. And yeah, this is a 50 by 60 shop. This is where the former lift used to be. We are currently working on getting the lift here soon. So yeah, we're gonna be doing some bills and some other stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna use that for, but I got a shop. I mean, like, come on, come on. I got a shop. This is amazing. I got a shop. Yeah, so it has huge bay doors, and they're all powered by these Craftsman thingy, and they work. Let me show you. They work. They actually work. The dude jerry rigged a lot of stuff. I'm not complaining, but they work. No fingers handed. It's a little noisy, but they work. So yeah, this is my shop. This is a view of outside. This is me inside my shop. The echo kind of went down and stuff, but it's back. And so yeah, this is a big 250 circuit board thingy. It's lit, it's marked off. Apparently they had a lot of stuff going on in here, but I'm gonna make it good. We're gonna make it better. We are going to do some good stuff. I guess it's a tractor or some shit. It's chipped up. We'll fix it later. But yeah, this is us. If you have any recommendations, please say it down, because like I plan to rebuild some cars and some other stuff. But these lights gonna go. And there's an upstairs. These steps though, I mean, do you even trust them? I might, honestly, before I go up there, I might just, under here, the way it is, I might just reinforce it some more and make like a little office in here. It's a little dark, but you know, just have it spruced up a little bit, make it like a little office. Because I can always put like another lift here. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I can always put another lift here. But let's go up to the upstairs portion of it. I always gotta make sure I'm alright, because I don't trust these steps. And here we go. Now, I am 5'11", and I have enough room over my head on the nearest beam. These things are padded for the summertime because of heat, and it gets hot here in Texas. Ooh, look, found a tool. Got a tool, found a tool, my tool. My tool now, new to me. Keep that, nope, I'm just gonna put it right back there. Oops. But yeah, it's really solid so far, feels good. Like I said, it jerry rigged some stuff. Hold on a minute. Yeah, so this is spider webs. This is the sugar honey iced tea that was done. Now, whew, it's a little dank up here. I'm going back downstairs. I'm gonna show you the rest of the property. Our new property sits on 9-point-something acres, and it's pretty big. It's the biggest place I've ever had in my life. And coming from the city, I'm telling you, this is quite amazing. Like, look at the views though, bro. Oh, by the way, over there, you can park an RV up there and like water it and plug it in and do all sorts of stuff. One of the other great thing about having this right here is that we now have a barn with like, we can put stuff in there. And to be quite transparent, this is the second time I'm doing this video. The last time I did this video, I had like a little booger hanging out right there, and I didn't well, I went to go edit the video. I was like, oh, nope, nope. She's like, hello, hello, hello. But anyway, here we are, walking down to what is, it's gonna be the barn. We're gonna try to raise some chickens and goats here and stuff like that. So here it is. That's the barn. There's a storage facility right here, and this is our barn. And we're gonna probably have our goats and sheep and stuff. We're gonna get this another fence to fence this off a little bit better, so we can have them chilling out here. Here it is. It's a nice open barn. We're gonna put some, I guess, doors on this mother trucker and just keep it going to separate it. It smells like farm in here, if I may. There's a lot of dung on the floor, if you're interested. Yeah, we're thinking about using those and do them as compost and stuff like that, just to make sure we're good. Along the fence here, the fence line here, there, I was told maybe beyond that is mine, because the neighbor's property ends all the way up there. So all beyond this line here is mine as well, up to the neighbor's gate. And we're probably gonna do another survey on everything that we own here, just in case. So yeah, walking all the way down. Let me show you where our where the creek is and everything else. Now, I'll give you a view. Check this out. all the way over there somewhere is a house. The barn is right there. The thing is upstairs. Not upstairs, but all the way up there. Well, apparently the last owner was trying to make a pond here because it's high here and it goes about down like 6 feet. There's a 6 feet incline. And sometimes when you come out here, you hear, let me shut up because that's nature. Quite amazing. Yeah, so anyway, it's trying to build a pond here, but it didn't hold. So I'm trying to see if I can get something to come back and push all this dirt and even it, level it out. This is good black sand right here. You can use it to plant stuff. So beyond this gate, once again, is mine. Like, there's a deer trap up there for some strange reason, but beyond this gate is mine. Fire ants. If anybody in YouTube want to come and melt some aluminum and make like some kind of fire ant chandelier thing, you're welcome to. True story. I've watched it on YouTube many times. I'm honestly just proud of myself. Like, this is amazing. Yeah, so this is where some of the uneven earth I was talking about, like, he dug out. I don't know what he was trying to do, but it works for him. It doesn't work for me. I'm just gonna have it leveled out for my goats and sheep. So here's a gate, and going back here, all the way back here, is where my property line ends. And you know, on the other side of the thing, it's a creek. Now normally out here in the morning, if you come out here, deer tracks. There's a lot of deer tracks right here. You find them all over the place. But like normally when you come out here in the morning, you see deer hanging out. My property line ends behind there, so I think that wall is a part of the property. I'm not sure, but we have a stream on our property, and I've seen fishes in there. I'm not going down there, but you know, whatever. Every time I come back here, I was looking at this hole. I don't know what that is. I'm leaving it alone. They say there's a lot of pecan trees back here. I've seen a couple of them here. Like, I think those, whatever. But yeah, pecan trees. Yeah, so a little bit more walking. And right about here is where my property line ends, and my next door neighbor is cool as fuck. But yeah, so we just left it open here. So yeah, that's where my property line ends. And down here is another gate. So yeah, this is the tour of my new place. Hopefully you come along with me for the ride of seeing the many adventures we'll be having here. And I hope this channel grows more, that we have more space, and you know, just hang out. There's some horses back there, but you can't see them because I'm filming this on a GoPro and it doesn't zoom, bro. It doesn't zoom. But yeah, that's what the back of the house looked like and everything. That's the barn over there, and yeah, the shop is up there somewhere. Smash that like button, please. You don't have to subscribe, just smash the hell out of that like button for me. I do appreciate it. It helps me show YouTube that, hey, people are actually watching this video, to recommend it to other people, like-minded people. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Catch you on the flip side when I'm doing something else. I'm trying to record as much as possible. More content, more content, more content. I appreciate you all. They're the peoples.